Namaskar, I'm Coach Shweta, and just the way we discussed last time, the personal brand. Now you know what is personal brand, why do you need a personal brand, but what are those important elements which are required to really make it a powerful personal brand? To create that unique positioning for yourself, for your personal brand, so that you stand apart from the entire crowd and don't get overwhelmed by seeing any other personal brand around you. What makes you so unique? Well, nothing big, nothing complicated, just few simple elements if you put together. It can really create a huge impact on your audience and on you. The very first thing to be kept in mind is to offer quality. Be it your product, your service, whatever reason you are earning your name for, or you intend to earn your name for, whatever you want to be known for, keep in this thing in your mind that you must offer quality to your target audience, which should be followed by authenticity. Be authentic, be real you in offering any product, any service, whatever you want to be known for. If you're writing a book, let it be the original one. If you're creating a beauty product or any line of product, really keep it authentic. That is how you create a legacy. Otherwise, it will be just one of the products or the services that any other brand is offering. You will only sustain when you keep these things in mind and follow it by the third point, which is consistency. Consistency is the key. Rome was not built in a day, and so will be your brand. It takes a while, it takes a lot of effort, a lot of smart work, a lot of consistency to build a powerful, strong personal brand. That is how you will earn your fourth point, which is the trust. Trust of your tribe is equally important because that will take you to the fifth point, which is the confidence. You will feel more confident about your market, to whom you are catering to, and so will be the confidence of your target audience in you, which takes you further ahead and creates a connect with your audience, with your target audience. Once you start connecting, it takes you to the seventh point, which is the expertise, your niche. That gives you the confidence, and that also gives the confidence to your target audience that you are the expert. You know your subject, your product, your services well enough. That is how you've been able to give them all that value, which takes you ahead to the other point, which is the experience. The experience of your consumers, your target audience, is equally important. That is how you will sustain your personal brand. And then, how well are they able to relate with you? If you are someone who's representing healthcare or the child care product or the service, how well are you representing that? How well do you know the subject? How much of the quality and you've been able to offer to your target audience, and how consistently? How much is your connection with your target audience? Everything all together, these elements will create that magic. Magic is nothing but science. And for science, you have to create that formula, you must add those important elements to create that impact around your personal brand. So do share your points. Which points out of these 9 points, what all elements were you missing, if at all you were missing any? I can help you fill in those gaps. How to quickly, not a hack, but a proper formula, a strategy to fill in those gaps, and how to make that quick impact in your personal brand. And in case if you think that you've been making a huge leap in any of these elements and you have better ways to excel these, then also do share it with me. And all those people who have enrolled in my coaching program, they know how easy it is to take these simple steps and create a very huge, I would say really a huge impact in your personal brand. And you will also notice when you start implementing and start adding these, the touch of this magic in your personal brand. And that's how your brand value goes much higher. You feel more confident, you start delivering better value, you also feel more valued with your personal brand, and you create a better connect with your target audience, and growth happens simultaneously for both, for you and for your audience. Keep growing, keep moving ahead, and we will keep meeting and talking more on personal brand. Till then, stay connected. The description will have the link to join my community. The description also has a link to give your feedback, to share your views. In case if you need any tips from me, I can help you in that. Stay connected. We'll meet again soon. Thank you so much, Coach Shweta.